Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, I will talk about best practices and tips for vlogging. Vlogs has been popular since the beginning of the YouTube. They give a window into a creator's life and an opportunity for the audience to connect with them more deeply. If you're thinking about starting a vlog or vlogging on your channel, here are a few elements to keep in mind. Number 1 is show your personality. Showing your personality and being yourself about it is key to any vlog. The good, the bad, the glamorous, the not so glamorous. Show it all. The quirkier the better. How does your slice of life entertain or enlighten? Does your personality shine through the story in the day-to-day clips that you weave together? Number 2 is conversation is content. Vlogs feel intimate and inclusive partially because conversations are fluid. Inviting viewers to be part of your conversation through Candace, polls in the community tab, or responding to the comment generate a sense of community and connection. Think about how you want to invite your viewers to engage with your content. Number 3 is authenticity rules. Audiences embrace imperfection and realness of a vlog. Silly mistakes and casual conversations make vlog very relatable because of the atmosphere that feels more relaxed. Ask yourself, how can you be more relatable to your viewers? Number 4 is consider cameos. Cameos delight and surprise. Some vlogs have a cast of characters that make semi-regular or regular appearances in a video. This could be a pet, a family member, a friend, or group of friends. Whoever it is, these appearances enrich the arc of your story and can help bring out the uniqueness of you and your community. Do you have any guests in your videos? What has been your audience's reaction to their appearances? Number 5 is what story does your vlog tell? Story arcs build suspense. While some vlogs may seem spontaneous, there's typically a lot of planning that goes into a vlog. What will you talk about? Who will be in your videos? How will you continue the narrative through different locations? What research do you need to do? Are there any props that you need? Think about the story that you're telling for each vlog before you start the vlog. Number 6 is connect regularly. The more you communicate, the stronger your relationship will be. To build a relationship with your audience, there must be an element of consistency that brings people back for a similar type of experience or an update to the storyline. Think about how you can cultivate relationship with your audience by showing up regularly. That's all from this video. I hope these tips and considerations have helped you if you are already vlogging or considering starting out. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.